Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that settles between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean, lying along the equator. The country experiences no extremes of season in both winters and summers, and is either wet when and April or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest mainland country, and Malay Peninsula claims on the mainland. Compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesia education consists of 9 years, and all Indonesia citizens must undergo years at the elementary level and the year at the secondary level. The Islamic School.com under the 438 works on an average for the primary and secondary level. The duration of the class for the primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and grade 2, 340 minutes duration for grade 3 to grade 6, and 45 minutes duration for the junior secondary school. The duration for the junior secondary school, the classroom for each institution in Indonesia is provided in the national bahasa Indonesia language. Education system in the classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the national bahasa Indonesia language. Education system in Indonesia. Primary education. The primary education in Indonesia follows right after the preschool that may start in a school year. Most of the elementary schools in Indonesia are government run, and some schools offer programs that are accelerated and compressed the past to 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel to this system of education. Middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a bridge between the middle passages of the elementary education followed by the senior high school, which is more challenging. This system of education also guides the education to determine a possible future direction for the study. The Islamic middle education system continues to provide an alternative Secondary education. The secondary education has two different kids profit two different streams of education. One is for those who intend to go for further study in university, and the other type is for those who want to pick a job right after high school. Vocational education. The vocational training for study in Indonesia are offered by the private training colleges with initiatives by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of four different kinds of namely polytechnic, university, and institute. Some are private, for some are state control, and some are affiliated to religious organisasi. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years, and when everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also my Islamic school in Indonesia with those under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs Indonesia. About the structure of education system in Indonesia. Higher education Act 7 to 15 years school system structure. 1. State school type elementary. 6 year Act 712 to and state school type junior secondary. 3 year Act 30 to 15 upper secondary education school type general senior secondary. 3 year Act the successful completing upper secondary school vocational secondary school type the vocational senior secondary education. 3 year Act 18 and 18 school education. The Indonesia compulsory education is for 9 years, which include 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education has the junior level, also known as SMTP, sekolah menengah tinggi pertama. The senior level, also known as SMTA, sekolah menengah tingkat atas. And the technical or vocational education. The junior education school comprises of 3 years and also is a part of basic school education program. Have 6 year primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and it has different form of secondary education school. That include vocational, Islamic, and general. Future senior secondary education has their 3 sessions, and in the senior secondary school this year the student get to choose between language natural skin and social skills. The graduate from the senior secondary education school should get the senior level certificate or sekolah menengah atas baik along with entry exam is important to attain for pushing their higher education. Higher education Indonesia is home to different type of higher education institusi like universitas public and also private institusi for teacher training, Islamic institusi private and public offering professional and academic university level of education and polytechnic languages Indonesia. Different stage of study, the no university level education school as vocational or high technique education is given by the academic. There are 6 single faculty academic confer diploma and the polytechnic they also confer diplomas. University level study, the university level study are divided into 3 stages. First stage university level sarjana S1. The university level first stage is sarjana strata 1, which is award to study after successful completion of full-time 4-year study at a school, university of institution. The study most school 144 credit marks to graduate for subject like dentist, medical, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary skin. Additional to 6 semester are added. The degree certificate which are awarded to the study bear the sarjana description and the name of the subject school stack university level subject code stack university level magister S2 and the magister stata 2 is the score. Second stack of the university level is awarded to all successful study after completing another 2 year of study and study to grade for us to study through and graduate and 2 year of study and research. Were between 36 to 50 credit above stacks 1 are essential for a study to graduate in the school stack university level Dr. S3. The third stack which is also known as Dr. Stata 3 comprise under 2 4 after the second stack magister.